Early morning start. We're gonna go up the mountain here. There's a path just literally outside our door, and we're gonna check the sunrise from there. Stairs. The rest of it is gonna be
Nästan framme! Heja Manne! Pretty good reward going up this early. Sunrise and the lights, absolutely fantastic.
and the tired mama.
And the tired little boy. This is the Ermita del Calvario, the chapel. It was built in 1710, and I think it's still used for like services and stuff. We haven't actually heard that bell tower ring yet, but the one down in Mijas is actually ringing quite a lot. But maybe they use it for special holidays and stuff. But like, it's really impressive how they actually managed to build it up here. I don't even know how they got the materials up here, but it's very impressive. Very nice.
Our little guy gave up.
Tough life hiking.
Tough being up in the mountain.
Yeah.
Mijas Pueblo. This little picturesque mountain village lays in the province of Malaga, Andalusia, Spain. It stretches out about 430 meters above sea level, just in the heart of Costa del Sol. It's easy to fall in love with the whitewashed houses and cobblestone alleys, where tiny tapas bars and small boutiques are cramming the streets, and the most amazing view over the mountains to one side, and the horizon above the Mediterranean, everywhere you look.
Geared up.
Alright, so we've had a couple of really good days here in Mijas. We've just been walking around the little village, we've been down to the beach in Figueroa, we've been up the mountain, but today we are taking the car to a forest called the Copper Forest, and it's basically supposed to be like a chestnut forest, and the reason for the name is that in the autumn and winter all the leaves turn copper. So that hence the name, I guess. And there's like supposed to be some hiking trails and a hot spring and some caves and stuff. So that is our mission for today. We just met two very, very nice police officers letting us know that we're not allowed to travel outside the region of Mijas. We thought that we were allowed to travel within like the eight provinces in Andalusia, and I think
No, between the region of Malaga, we thought.
oh yeah, the region of Malaga. Sorry,
But it was there, but it changed like yesterday.
yeah, I think it changed yesterday. So we're very lucky that we met them, and they just let us know that there's a couple of other hiking trails up the mountain here and into the forest. So we're just gonna do that instead.
Yeah.
Yep. are now in this forest, and just behind us, like there's a mountain there, and then on the other side of the mountain is Mijas. So we just pretty much drove around the mountain and just out for a little hike. Nature is really, really beautiful, but you can tell that it's winter because like a lot of the pines have dropped from the trees. But yeah, it's just really nice surroundings, and Manne is being a real trooper. I think we've walked for almost an hour now, and he's just powering through. Such a little good hiker.
High five.
Henrik also got his new fancy walking stick that he bought in Mijas.
Now I need to tie my shoelaces.
So it's a, what is it, a wolf?
No, I think it's a fox.
Foxes aren't grey. That must be a wolf.
But it looks more like a fox than a
Foxes
wolf.
are red, darling.
Yeah, but look at this cute face.
Yeah.
It looks more like a fox face.
It is a wolf though. Is it a wolf or is it a fox? Let us know what you think down below in the comments.
I had this backpack for about 3 weeks now, and it's really been a good investment. I really used it a lot, and Zeke seems to like it. He actually likes it so much that he can sleep in it. So I think you're about to fall asleep now, are you? And it really feels comfortable to carry him in it, and I think he can put on 5 more kilos and it will still fit in the backpack. I think actually we can take Manne in this as well. I think it's rated for like 22 kilos or 25, which is good. Then it's just the daddy that needs to carry it.
Yeah.
But it's been really good.
Also final week in Mijas. Every week we've sort of said that let's just stay for a couple of days more and a couple of days more, because we both, all 4 of us, really fallen in love with this city. It's very kid friendly, and the boys have been, you know, just enjoying running around and exploring all of these little alleys, and also like the amount of detail that has gone into this city, like the potted plants and the tile work and the balconies, and it's just very romantic. And then also you just can't beat the view that you have all the time. So on this side you have the view of the white village of Mijas up the mountains, and then on the other side you have the view of the ocean. So it is highly recommended, and we've just really had such an amazing time here. Yeah, I'll open it straight away. Like this gorgeous little ceramic shop just down the street there, and I was in there just the other day speaking to the lady that owns it, and she's really lovely. And I promised her that I'd go back to get some ceramic, and I've got it right here. I'm gonna show you in a minute, but I just feel like I wanted to try, or we wanted to try and support the locals as much as we could now that we've been staying here for 3 weeks. Just because it's really nice to see the restaurant are open, and the, you know, the little shops and everything, they're just sort of powering through. And yeah, we just really wanted to take the opportunity and support them while we could. Me and Zeke just went home a little bit in advance. Henrik and Manne is ordering Indian takeaway, and we started our first night in Mijas with Indian takeaway, so we thought that we might just finish it with some Indian takeaway too. And just in these 3 weeks the weather has heated up that much, so that now it's almost 5:30, but it's really nice and warm outside, so we're just gonna enjoy one last meal on the rooftop terrace. Day. Here comes the food.
Here comes the food, yeah. Indian special. Yum yum. Naan breads.
What is it in there?
Palakania, that's my favorite, and Rogan Josh for Henrik.
Jag har snackat lite lego.
Har ni snackat då?
Jag har bara blandningar. Äggkorv har jag gjort.
Äggkorv? Nej.
And just like that, 3 weeks went quickly for us exploring all the little streets, houses and surrounding mountains of Mijas. It was time to head back to the seaside and move back into our home on wheels once again.